How to remove blank lines in Word, 2 easy ways. Too many blank lines making your Word document look messy. They are often caused by extra empty paragraph marks, and deleting them one by one takes time. Here are 2 ways to remove them from the whole document. Before you start, turn on Show Hide Paragraph so the empty paragraph marks are easier to see. Method 1. Use Word's Find and Replace feature. Press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What box, type $P twice. In the Replace With box, type $P once. Click Replace All. Word shows how many replacements were made. Click OK, and repeat Replace All until Word reports that no more replacements were made. Close the dialog box. Most extra blank lines are now removed, making the document more compact. However, some empty paragraphs around tables may remain, even after searching the entire document. For more complete and simpler cleanup, use Kutools for Word. Method 2. Use Kutools for Word's Remove All Empty Paragraph Marks feature. First, download and install Kutools for Word, and then open your document. Just leave all text unselected to clean the entire document. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Paragraphs. And choose Remove All Empty Paragraph Marks in selected range. Click Yes in the confirmation prompt to remove all paragraphs. A message shows how many empty paragraphs were removed. Click OK. Kutools removes all empty paragraphs from the whole document in one operation. The regular text and non-empty paragraphs remain in place. Use Word's Find and Replace method to remove most standard blank lines, although some around tables may remain. Use Kutools for a more complete one-step cleanup of the selected section or the entire document.